Hello everyone, Jai Hind. Welcome back in the Salesforce Administrator course. And today in day 4, we are going to talk on the topic. In the day 3, we have created the developer edition org. And when they have demonstrated you that how we can get the access of the developer edition org, and other subtopics of the day 3. At that time, I'm sure that you must be having a question that why we have this term here that is edition. What exactly the edition means. And if a developer edition org is free for us, then for other editions, do we need to pay? And if yes, then how much? And how we can decide that which edition is good or suitable for our business. Now, because I am sharing you the all the content, the course. Even if you are a fresher or experienced admin, developer, BA, QA, pre-sales, right? So because I am sharing you the course, the complete course. So these all topics becomes very important. Okay. I can share you one the experience of mine. I was working in a in the Cognizant, and one of my manager asked me that Prashant, our customer is asking to some details related to the addition. So how we can identify the which addition is good for her, good for our customer? Where exactly I can get all the detail? So, in case if you also experience a similar kind of, the question, you should be, able to answer. So that's why this is important for all of you. All right. So first of all, coming with the addition means you can say the variants. Like every car, for example, you are going to purchase a, the Safari car. So, Safari have a different editions, different variants, and each variant have the different costing, different features, right? And based on those features, you get the costing as well. So developer edition is free for us, but this is not for our the for our business. It is for our learning and training purpose. So I have the URL ready with me, and this URL I will put in a description of the this lecture, so that you can use it without any problem in your future. So this particular the URL gives you the detail of the pricing of every edition available right now. Okay, so when I say right now, because the Salesforce keep updating their additions. So just for example, you see here the essential, starter, pursuit, professional, enterprise, unlimited, developer, right? And you also find here that Salesforce edition that are no longer sold. So if you click here, you will get a list of all those editions which were sold by the Salesforce but not available now. Okay, so this particular URL again I will provide you in the description of the lecture. All right. So coming, to this particular the on the site, this particular the page. You see here that we have this smarter suite that they cost you $25 per user per month. Pro suit $100 per user per month, and then enterprise, then unlimited, agent force says, right? If you if you want to check this costing in the other currencies, like the Australian dollar, the business pound, and euro, and Japanese yen, then you can obviously use the converter, and this converter you shows you the cost in your selected currency. All right. Once you scroll down here, you see here, we have the comparison. Okay. So what all features are available here? Okay. What all features are available here? You simply, the keep scrolling and then you will get the detail. Now, the important thing, there is another question, which you will experience once you will be landing into the Salesforce, is that how many, how many sandboxes you will get when you purchase the any edition. Okay. So just for example, if you go with the unlimited edition, okay, so you actually get one full 5 developer pro and 5 developer sandboxes. Now I know that the type of sandboxes is a different the topic which I am going to the cover with you. I'm not covering right now because there are some technical terms which I need to explain to you, like metadata and all. So that's why, I am just focusing right now is, on giving you the detail related to the, the pricing and how you can, find out that how many sandboxes you have in this particular, the edition, or if you have the production org access to you. Okay. Now this topic I have already covered, already covered in day 3 only, that production sandbox, right? So if you have, the production org access, then how you can check that this particular edition is having how many sandboxes available. Okay. So for that, there are, the few steps. Method one is when you log in into the, into the production org. Okay. So just compare, just consider that this is a production org. You will log in, go to setup. Okay. Go to setup and here you will type sandbox. Okay. Now, because this is a developer edition or this thing, this is not available here in the developer edition or, so you will type the sandbox and then you will see all the available sandboxes, which are available with your edition. Okay. Let me repeat again. So when you will log in, you can check the edition from company information. Okay. Company information. Okay. This is the page. You will go here, organization edition. So you will see that, the edition name. So it can be unlimited. It can be, the any edition. Okay. As per, your business requirement. Okay. So you will see here. So one option is in the setup. Okay. In this section only, you will type sandbox like this, and you will see a sandbox, available sandbox associated with your edition or with your production org. Okay. So one, you will see, like for example, I created a picture for you. So developer, you can see a 3 or developer run or partial copy 00, So that is something, which you will see something like this. The another way is you see here that we have a sections like user licenses, right? If you scroll down, permission set licenses. I mean, these all are technical term, but I just want to to tell you feature licenses. So similarly, there will be a the section with the heading as sandbox. Okay, sandbox license like this. Okay, and there also you can find out the detail related to the sandboxes available in your edition. Okay. This is, this is a technical way. The another way is when you will buy, any of the edition, okay, there will be a order copy or contract copy, you can say. In that order copy or contract copy, you will get the detail that how many edition, the sandboxes are available in your edition. Okay. And by any chance, if you purchase few extra sandboxes, so those details are also available in the contract form and the order form. Okay. And obviously it will also get updated in the the sandbox licenses section in the company information, or or in the sandbox section, it will also will be updated from the backend by the Salesforce. The another the way is, let's say, you know, I mean, out of these three, you do not want to go with it. So there is, for every customer, for example, Toyota. So Salesforce, they sold out their product to the Toyota. So they will assign a Salesforce account executive. Okay. Salesforce account executive is an employee, the Salesforce employee. So that employee and her team will be in a the proper communication with Toyota till they are the customer of the Salesforce. Okay, so you can check the detail from the Salesforce account executive team, that how many the sandboxes we have. Okay, also you can also the raise a ticket with Salesforce support. They will they get the detail for you. Okay, but my personal the opinion says that why you need to go into that the lengthy process of reading the document and all. So either they go into simply check by typing the sandbox here. Okay, you will get the detail. Or if you you have landed into the company information page, so just scroll down or control F, okay, like this, and type the sandbox. Now, because we don't have the sandbox associated, so we don't have the section for the sandbox licenses. But like the user licenses, we will have the section as sandbox licenses, and we'll get all the details related to the sandboxes associated with our edition. Okay. And if by any chance you have purchased some additional sandboxes, so that will also get reflected. Okay, so I hope that the question related to the the sandbox pricing, and sorry, the addition pricing, and the number of the sandboxes associated with the additions, I have answered in this lecture. In the the coming lecture, I am going to tell you the type of the sandboxes in detail. Okay, but having said that, when I say the I have to cover some the technical the topics like metadata and all before explaining you the type of sandboxes, why we use it, and etc etc. So just go step by step and you will enjoy. Okay, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll meet you again in day 5 with a new topic. Till then, take care of yourself and your country. Jai Hind.